Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Lenovo ThinkBook Flip AI PC, and trust me, this isn't just another folding laptop. This is something completely different, the world's first outward folding notebook, and it's packed with features that could seriously change how we work and create. What makes this so special? Well, let me break it down for you. Before we get started, if you enjoy cutting-edge tech content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. First, the design. Lenovo has managed to pack an enormous 18.1-inch flexible OLED display into a body that's somehow thinner and lighter than most ultrabooks on the market today. We're talking just 16.9 millimeters thin and weighing only 1.4 kilograms. That's insane when you consider the screen size you're getting here. The engineering behind this is next level. They've essentially doubled your screen real estate without making the device any harder to carry around. Under the hood, this beast is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processor, which means you're getting serious performance with AI acceleration built right in. The power efficiency here is impressive too, so you can expect good battery life despite that massive display. Now let's talk about that display because it's absolutely gorgeous. We're looking at 400 nits of brightness, 100% DCI, P3 color accuracy, and a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just browsing the web, everything looks incredible on the screen. But here's where things get really interesting, that outward folding hinge design. This isn't just about folding the laptop in half. Lenovo has created 5 distinct use modes that actually make sense for real-world use. First, there's tablet mode. Fold it all the way out and you've got a 12.8-inch tablet perfect for taking notes or sketching ideas. Then there's tent mode, which is ideal for when you're stuck in tight spaces like airplane trays or crowded coffee shops. Clamshell mode works like a traditional laptop but with the added bonus of that external screen for keeping an eye on notifications or your calendar. Sharing mode is brilliant for collaboration. Just mirror your screen to the outer display so everyone can see what you're working on. And my personal favorite, vertical mode. This gives you an extended vertical workspace that's absolutely perfect for coding, writing long documents,
Lenovo didn't
or
stop
any
at
kind
just
of
the folding
productivity
mechanism,
work
though.
where you need to save
They've
more
also
content
included
at
this
once.
really
Clever smart haptic touchpad that completely changes how you interact with the device. With a simple tap, it can transform into a numeric keypad, a set of customizable shortcut buttons, or a media controller. It's these little thoughtful touches that show how much effort went into making this more than just a gimmick. What really excites me about this concept is that it's not just showing us what's possible, it's showing us what's coming. This is clearly a glimpse into the future of computing, where our devices adapt to how we work rather than forcing us to adapt to them. The flexibility here is game-changing, and I can't wait to see how this technology evolves in the coming years. So what do you think? Would you use a laptop like this? Let me know in the comments which of those 5 modes you'd use most often. And if you enjoyed this look at the future of laptops, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.